Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Tonkeeper to GCash. So first step you need to do is open Tonkeeper app. So once you open, you simply need to click on send, but here you can see there is no direct method to send to GCash. So first you need to send to the Binance or any exchange, and from that exchange you need to send to the GCash. So
So
let
let
me
me
add the
add the
address from
address
Binance.
from
So
Binance.
add address here, then you need to add
So
comment.
add address here. Then
So
you
in
need to add
comment,
comment.
you need to
So
copy
in
this.
comment you need to copy this.
Okay, and then you need to
Okay.
click on continue,
And then you need to click
click on
on
encrypt.
continue. Click on
Here you need
encrypt.
to add your
Here you need to add
password.
your password.
Okay, then
Okay.
you
Then
need
you
to
need to click
click
on
on
continue
continue
and go
and
on to the
go
next
on
step.
to the
And in the
next
next step,
step.
your money will be
And in
transferred
the next
from
step, your
Tonkeeper
money
to
will be
Binance.
transferred from
And once
Tonkeeper
you
to
have your money in
Binance.
Binance, then you
And
can
once you
transfer
have
from
your money on
Binance into
Binance, then you
GCash.
can transfer
So this is the
from
process that
Binance
you need
into
to follow. So I
GCash.
hope you find
So
this
this is the
video
process
helpful.
that you need to
If you
follow.
find this
So I
video
hope you find
helpful,
this video helpful. If you
must
did,
like this
don't
video,
forget to like and
subscribe
subscribe
to
to my
our
YouTube
YouTube
channel.